just when you get up there, just let them know you don't want to go in the yellow one.
Caution, you know, yellow.
Right.
Here we go, Tony.
All right, you guys. So as we come out of here, always look ahead. Look where you want to go. Right. Now, you want to stay to the right all the way down, Tim. Coming out of the pits. Next time at speed, we're going to be on the left. Right. But coming out of the pits for safety, stay to the right all the way down. Again, keeping that 3 feet from the edge of the track. And always look ahead, look where you want to go. So again, just stay to my side, till the turn, a little bit of brake here, give a little bit of brake test off, turn it in, look for that orange cone, orange to green, so just connecting the dots, right, orange to green. Let the car come out to the orange cone, nice and smooth. A little bit of gas back over to my side, then bring it back over again, get the car straight. A little bit of brake at the red, off the brakes, turn at the orange, out to the green, back out to the orange cone. Keep it straight, a little bit of gas here, again, a little bit of brake. Off the brakes, turn it in green cone, then back out to the orange cone. Coming through here, take this turn kind of wide, keep it to that 3 feet, gently rolling the gas. Now get in the middle, coming down through here, you see the seam in the road? Just follow the seam all the way down, keep it straight, all the way down on the gas. You can stay on the gas all the way to the yellow cone. So 1, 2, 3, lift, squeeze the brakes, keep it straight though, brake, brake, off the brakes before we turn over to the green. Now just go straight through here, don't turn the wheel much, keep it straight, a little bit of brake at the red, off the brakes, into the green, back out to the orange. Now just keep that wheel turned, stay on the gas, see I'm not even turning that wheel, just let the car come out naturally, then bring it back over. Keep it straight, again, 1, 2, 3, brake. Now this is a really tight turn, so get on the brakes hard, turn it in, look for that green cone, tighten it up, gently roll on the gas, let the car come out, bring it back over. How you guys doing?
Fantastic.
Good. Brake off, turn it in. You guys good back there?
I'm good, boss.
Okay. Gently rolling the gas, coming out, bring it back over. Keep it straight, aim for the orange, orange to the green. Stay on the gas, bring it up, back over to my side, just go straight. 1, 2, 3, and brake. Keep it straight though, brake, brake, brake. Off the brakes before we turn. This is really tight, so take your time. Over to the green, back out to the orange, gently roll the gas, nice and smooth. Bring it back over. Again, brake straight, off the brakes, up to the green, back out to the orange, gently roll the gas, keep it straight. Again, brake, off, over to the green, back out to the orange, keep that wheel turned, bring it back down. A little bit of brake here if you need to, off the brakes, nice and smooth, gently roll the gas coming out. Again, get in the middle, you can get on the gas all the way down to the yellow cones. Just keep it straight all the way down. 1, 2, 3, lift, squeeze the brakes, and stay on the brakes, brake, brake, off, turn it in, nice and smooth. Just keep it straight through here, a little bit of brake, off, green cone, back out to the orange. Again, keep that wheel turned, stay on the gas, look where you want to go, let it come back out, bring it back in, keep it straight, and hard brakes. Again, this turn's tight, so take your time, off, turn it in, nice and smooth, gently roll the gas coming up. You guys good?
Yeah.
Okay, brake, turn it in, out to the green, gently roll the gas, bring it back over. Let's get a little air in here. Keep it straight, back over to the green. Brakes. Brake, 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 good. Off, turn it in nice and smooth. Take your time. Back out to the orange, gently roll the gas, coming out nice and smooth. Bring it back out, get the car straight, brake, turn it in, green cone, back out to the orange. Again, brake, off, up to the green, back out to the orange cone, nice and smooth. Keep that wheel turned through here, brake here. I'll let that before I get up there a ways. I want to get a good run through here. Any questions so far?
I don't think I'll be running it that hard.
Doing good? Again, you can go at your own pace. It's not a race, right? Just have fun.
Back seat's a little different than the front seat.
Okay, here we go. was that?
Amazing.
Pretty fun? Then when you come up here, Tim, you're going to stop at the red cone. He's going to grab your picture, and you'll just go ahead.